wagi wa kuramata maria maturigiciirie na njira iria yagiriire ona thengia mabururi maya ma Gitaru giki kuramata maria kana kugeria kuramata maundu maria maturigiciirie imwe cia njira iria irahuthika ni ikoretwo iri kihinga kinene. Ino ni ndemereri yerekereirio ni atongoria Mbunge kuma mabururi ma Gitaru giki hingo ya kigomano kia andu kuithatu na kiria kirathiaga na mbere kwa bururi-ini wa Kenya na kiria kiratafanĩirio nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya Bomas kiri uguo nayo Mbunge ya gĩbũrũri hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro kĩao kĩa mũthenya nĩ ikorirwo kana nĩ ikorirwo ĩkĩrung'a ciĩgiĩ ũcenjia wa rĩera. Riboti ĩrĩa tũharĩrĩirio nĩ mwandĩki witũ Chege wa Joy.
Ona thengia ya Gitaru kia Afrika kunyita itemi nini hari uthukagia wa maria maturigiciirie gukiringithanio na itaru iria ingi thi yothe. Mathina maumanite na ucenjia wa riera makoretwo makigumira Gitaru giki na njira nene kuringana na ndumiriri ya atongoria a Gitaru kia Afrika makiaria mari mbunge-ini ya bururi mucii munene wa Nairobi gikaro-ini kia mbere kia ucenjia wa riera kia Afrika.
From extreme weather events to food insecurity, from rising sea levels to displacements of citizens. The climate crisis is not a distant threat, but it's a stark reality that affects us all.
Academia. And it is now self-evident in rising sea levels and predictable weather patterns, higher temperatures, wildfires, deserts, encroachment, water scarcity, food insecurity, and the list goes on and on. It can't be ignored or wished away. It calls for a corroborated action. The scientists have predicted and the indicators have shown that accelerated warming in the planet is now estimated at
Riu ni itemi ria ambunge a Gitaru giki gutigirira ni mahonokia Gitaru kia Afrika kumana na mathina maya kuona gutire mundu wa nanja ugoka kuhonokia Afrika.
I want to encourage us that we strive to move ourselves from a continent of despair to a continent of hope, because the future is with us. The future is right here in Africa. There are three lungs of the world in terms of climate: the Congo, the Amazon, and the Borneo in Indonesia.
Kugathika mitaratara mikinyaniru hari kuramata maria maturigiciirie ni undu uria ubatie kuhimbirio ni ambunge kuma mabururi mothe gitaru-ini giki niguo kuhukia kaimana mathina maya.
Aware that in the rest of Africa, only 4 countries so far, including Kenya, Uganda, Ethiopia, and Nigeria, have come up with climate-related policies, and those that have been taken up as assented to by the different governments as acts of parliament. We cannot continue this championing without putting our legislative role, oversight, at the forefront. I therefore call upon the rest of the countries to follow suit.
Ona kugathika kigina kiiganu kuri ministry cia maria maturigiciirie gukuruhania muingi na gukorwo na uigananu hari mibango ya kuramata maria maturigiciirie ni njira ingi ya gutigirira Gitaru kia Afrika ni kierugamia hari ucenjia wa riera.
Needs and expectations from international community for a just climate financing, as nations with heavy debts will face slow green transition.
In the spirit of inclusivity, let us remember that the effects of climate change know no borders and affect all people, regardless of their background or circumstances. We must prioritize equity and justice in our discussions and
what we have done in this country, the budgets that we recently passed and are now being implemented.
Giikaro kiu kia ucenjia wa riera kia Gitaru kia Afrika nikio kia mbere gutafanirio Gitaru-ini giki na riu gikirigirirwo kurehe umithio hari kuhonokia Gitaru kia Afrika kumana na mathina ma ucenjia wa riera. Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Johi.
Thengia muno mundu gwitwo Tishege wa Joy-ini riboti ona atakiriga njani gukorwo igitwo hingurira kiuria gitu kia muthenya wa umuthi. Woni waku ni uriku wigie kikomano giki kia andu ko ithatu na kiria kiratabanirio muciri munene wa Kenya Nairobi kigie ugaruruku wa Riera. Tugithiaga na mbere na turio riboti-ini yo ari muthenya wa gatatu wa kikomano kia